So let's talk about the weekend scanner. If you are in my Discord or Telegram or Slack channel, you must have seen this scanner everywhere. But what does that data mean? You can see in the Discord it shows something like this, as well as you can see in the Telegram too. So let's understand what does the data means. So let me take an example of something like this Kotak Bank, which is showing weekend low level 8. Now see the chart of Kotak Bank. Now see, this candle has not broken the low of the previous day. Also, the previous day's candle has not broken the low of the previous day. See, I am a price action trader, so whatever tools I am making here is only to benefit me and traders like me. I do not expect somebody with using too much of indicators to be using this kind of stuff. So see, this candle has not broken the low of previous 8 days. Now I know you will tell that this candle's low is check here. This candle's low is 1851.2 and this candle's low is 1850. So there is like 1.2. Now see, I am scanning the data from Kite Zerodha. So sometimes the data will be different in different brokers, also from different data source. Now if you want to understand that why some points are not showing in the chart, it is a very widely discussed topic. I'll be rather skipping in this video. Okay, so but that's why this is happening. Okay, if we are scanning using trading views data, this Kotak Bank will not come in this scanner, but point something doesn't matter at all, right? So the core part is weekend low level 8 and Kotak Bank means Kotak Bank has not broken the low of the previous day's candle for like 8 days. Now you can do two things here. You can either sell when this line is breaking, as well as you can just buy it and keep this as a stop loss. So you can bet that the trend will go on, like the previous day's low will not get broken, as well as you can also play the case where the previous day's low is getting broken. What I usually do is I use this with conjunction of other stuff like support and resistance, like other price action traders does. Like see, it is moving to the resistance right now. So when it will be going something like in this area, I am okay to short if the previous day low is getting broken. So right now I will not sell Kotak Bank. I shall be waiting for it to get near to the resistance zone by few more points. Now let me analyze Ashok Leyland. Let's take something from the previous Bharti Airtel. I have already drawn this. Okay, never mind. So it is literally falling for the last 5 days. Okay, and I'll be buying here tomorrow. I have already plotted this because I see this is as a level which it will act as a good support because I see a good OI open interest in the 500 put section. See, you need to use this weekend scanner with conjunction of different other theories, right? Yeah, so this is a good trade. Now I think you have understood that Nifty has not broken the previous day's low for like 3 days. It goes on like that. So this is a good scanner for price action traders, and it is always the daily time frame. That's it. If you find good trades with this scanner, please feel free to share with me.